Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. One more stir fry I want to show you and how I make it. It is sweet and sour stir fried pork with pineapple and onions. I now prepare the ingredients for this meal. I cut a small pineapple into pieces. I dressed this and stored this in the fridge 3 days ago. The pineapple is one of many tropical fruits, so it needs dressing and storing as it does not keep fresh long in cold weather. I cut 2 onions, about 120 grams, into 6 parts each, and separate their layers. After that, I will put them into cold water to reduce their strong taste. I cut some curly parsley and 3 stems of spring onions. I chop a clove of garlic to make the garlic oil to make the stir fry. I now change the chopping board to cut 350 grams of pork shoulder into small slices that are about 3 mm thick. Next, I pour 150 ml of water into a bowl, 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of seasoning powder, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, and a teaspoon of fish sauce. Mix them well. Now I add the gravy and will use this when cooking the meal. Okay, I now have all the ingredients ready. I put a saucepan on the hob and turn the hob to the high heat. I put 1½ teaspoon of oil into the saucepan. I put the garlic in and stir until it has a fragrant aroma. If you give this video a like and subscribe to our channel, we will be very happy. I add the gravy into the saucepan and stir well. I put the pork in and stir well and let the meat absorb the gravy. The gravy is now sweet, so I add a tablespoon of apple vinegar and stir. I add pineapple and stir. I want the pineapple to taste like fresh fruit, so I do not cook for long. I add onions. When the onions change its color, I put curly parsley and spring onions and stir. I now turn the heat off and scoop into a bowl. I put some slices of chili on them and serve with rice. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be happy to answer.